Hi everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars. This is our 2010 Kia Soul 2. It's a 1.6 CRDi, automatic, finished in tornado red with 56,000 miles. Got 11 services on the vehicle. It's in fantastic condition, as you can see. We'll just give you a quick walk around. Really nice looking car. We've had the wheels painted in the graphite grey, which we think looks lovely. It's got the privacy glass. Absolutely beautiful look. Really, really, really nice condition. Car's just passed its MOT with no advisories. Comes fully serviced, 3-month warranty. All as standard, all within the price. There's no admin fees, there's no extras to pay for with us. Look how clean this thing is. Drives without fault. A couple of stone chips on the bonnet. Other than that, it's mint. We'll show you inside, beginning with the boot as usual. All very clean and tidy. Got your parcel shelf. Really good sized boot on these. Inside, this one's got the black cloth. All really clean, excuse the finger there. Got the Soul logos, and we've also got the Isofix, the rear electric windows too. In the front, again, all really nice condition, minimal wear to the seats. Got your 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, electric windows, electric mirrors. Automatic gear selector, your auxiliary input, iPod, USB down there. This one's also got CD and Bluetooth along with your aircon. I will just start the car so you can see there's no warning lights, and as you can see the mileage is 56256. So no warnings, all starts up as you would expect. Very nice condition throughout. Just a little storage compartment there. There's not really stacks of things to show you, I'm afraid, on one of these. Cup holders. Handbooks are in here, handbooks are in there, along with your lock and wheel keys. And that really is it. Cracking little car, great on fuel, very reliable. Proper automatic, not one of these electronic auto ones. It's proper gearbox, so it drives very well. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. Thanks for watching.